Welcome back to Moto Rider. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious touring bikes on the planet, the 2026 BMW K1600 Grand America. If you're into long-distance comfort, power, and pure class, this is the machine to watch. Design and comfort. The 2026 Grand America stays true to its name, big, bold, and built for the open road. It's sleek,